So, you're having some investing troubles? Yeah, nothing I do seems to work. What do you mean? Well, I keep trying different things and nothing seems to work. Yeah, I think I heard that once before. What do you mean by different things? I've tried position trading, day trading, swing trading, you name it, and none of it works. Wait a second, you've tried them all? Yep. Okay, tell me about what's going on. Well, I bought what I thought were some good stocks, but they started to drop. So I sold them because I had learned this cool technique about swing trading. But I was selling frequently with small losses and small wins and going nowhere. I was getting mixed signals from the market and was in and out. Because, one signal would say get in, but another signal would say get out at the same time. I was just getting confused. I then tried to day trade those stocks to make a quick profit. But I wasn't able to watch the market during the day, and that didn't work out. Now, I've got a mixture of stocks in my portfolio that I manage using a couple of different methods. Are you okay? Wow. That's it. What? That's a lot going on. I know. I just like to spread my wings and continually learn new techniques. How's that working out for you? Not great, but with all these different strategies and systems out there, I think it's impossible to find something that works. It's not impossible. Actually, sounds like there's a simple solution. Let me run something by you. What's that? Sounds like you're mixing strategies. What do you mean? You're combining rules of all different systems and it's just not working. You don't have a defined plan. Go on. Let me say this. There are a lot of great systems out there that work well. But if you combine the rules of all systems, it causes frustration and failure. So you're saying I can only invest one way for the rest of my life? Yes. No. Have you heard of Bruce Lee? Yeah, the martial arts guy? Yeah, I guess you could say that, the martial arts guy. He said he feared not the man who practiced 10,000 kicks once. He feared the man who practiced one kick 10,000 times. I'm too old to learn karate. Me too, but that's not the point. You gotta pick one system and get good at it. Let me say this. If you need a place to start, VectorVest does have a couple of great courses on successful investing. Once you get good at one system, you can then learn another. Once you have multiple systems going, it's best to keep them separated. You can see if your broker allows you to group your stocks, or you could just use the portfolios area within VectorVest to track them separately. Hey, thanks. Come to think of it, I have been jumping around a little bit. I should try to stick with one thing. Hey, I got a buddy of mine who you should talk to. Do you have a minute? Sure, bring him in. Hey, Robert, come here. Robert, I must say, you are one handsome fellow. Thanks. You're not too bad yourself. So, you're having some investing troubles? Yeah, I've got two problems that I think might be related. First, I sell stocks too quickly, taking small losses. And second, I sell stocks too quickly, taking small profits. Ooh, profits are good. Yeah, but since my losers outnumber my winners, I'm slowly losing money. Ah, death by paper cuts. I hear ya. It's not always the big loser that gets you. A bunch of little losses can hurt just as much. Exactly. The thing that made it even more aggravating was that I was good at picking stocks. Once I sold a stock, it would shoot upward, like the market was just trying to kick me in the... Whoa, slow down there. Sorry, I just don't know what to do. I can't just buy and hold these stocks forever. Knowing when to sell seems impossible. It's not impossible. It actually sounds like a simple solution. Let me run something by you. Okay, you're suffocating your stocks. What do you mean by suffocating? I mean your stops are too tight. I need to, or I'll lose too much money. How's that working out for you? Well, not great. I wanted to let my stocks grow, but I was afraid. I didn't want to risk a large loss. There you go. Where'd I go? Right there. You just said it. Said what? You were afraid of a large loss. You put yourself in a position to let emotions control your decisions. I wanted to use a wider stop, but when the stock started to move lower, I started to lose too much. Exactly. So you suffocated your stock. Instead, you need to let good stocks breathe by giving them a wider stop. How can I do that? I'll lose too much money if my stop is lower. We call it position sizing. Position what? Position sizing. You can have a wider stop. You just invest less money in the stock. How does it work? We teach all about it in our Successful Investor course. But basically it works like this. Some people invest too much money on each position. For example, they may invest $20,000 in a position and want to use a stop that's 20% below the stock's price. But that means they would risk losing $4,000 if the trade went against them. If their trading account was $100,000, that would be 4% of their total account, which is just too much. How much should I risk? 1 to 2%. Are you saying I need to use a 1 to 2% stop on my stocks? No, the amount you risk losing is 1 to 2% of your total account. So in the example I gave you, if you invested less money, let's say $10,000 instead of $20,000, your risk would only be $2,000 instead of $4,000. And if I invested $5,000, my risk would be even lower, right? Exactly. Your risk would only be $1,000. This allows you to invest in the same good stocks that you wanted to and let them breathe with a wider stop. Most importantly, it lets you trade without emotion. You're not freaking out when a trade starts to go against you. Wow, thanks. That helps a lot. Great. If you want more help, you should check out VectorVest's Successful Investor courses. I have a feeling a voiceover is coming soon. The course is called our Full Successful Investor course. You might already be aware of the Quick Start course built into VectorVest. If not, it's found on the Training tab, and as the name implies, it gets you up to speed very quickly on the concepts of investing successfully. After creating that Quick Start course and coaching clients weekly for at least a year afterwards, my fellow coach, Todd Schaefer, and I knew we had to create a more in-depth, step-by-step course. So we got together with Dr. DeLito, the founder of VectorVest, and developed the Successful Investor course, 6 Weeks to Steady Growth. It's designed to take you step by step through the system you need to safely and steadily grow your portfolio each year. The outcome you will get from this course is a complete A to Z system which shows you how to grow your account and consistently average 15% per year or more. If you think about it this way, our Quick Start course does a great job of highlighting the main concepts of each section. The full Successful Investor course takes each section and dives deep. While maintaining a laser focus on becoming a successful investor, we teach you everything you need to do step by step. You will be very clear on the overall game plan. You'll know exactly when to buy, both for the overall market and for individual stocks. You'll know exactly what to buy and how to find the stocks to fill your portfolio. You'll know exactly when to sell, whether you're locking in profits or minimizing losses. You'll know exactly how to set up your trades and manage your portfolio. And you'll know exactly how to place your trades with a broker, both to enter positions and to exit. Registration for this course is currently open, but it won't be open much longer. Go to www.vectorvest.com/TSIC, and that stands for the Successful Investor course. Go there for more information and get yourself registered before registration closes. Again, go to vectorvest.com/TSIC, and let's make this the year you turn your portfolio around. On behalf of everyone here at VectorVest, thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in class.